Ms. Vasquez, to you in your questions, that you didn't tell anyone about the abuse until the TRO. Is that true?
Objection, Your Honor, leading.
All right. What if any? All right. Who did you tell about the abuse during the time it was happening?
Objection, Your Honor,
It's
leading
not operative. It's
and hearsay.
Sustained.
Your Honor, it's prior consistent statements.
It's leading, it's sustained. Next question.
Okay. What, if anything, did you tell to anyone about the abuse?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
Sustained.
Your Honor, may I? That's fine. Ms. Hurd, how many people have you shared the fact of abuse prior to 2015?
Objection, Your Honor, leading. Calls for hearsay.
How many?
Roughly about 10.
Can you name them?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I think she can, it's not offered, it's just showed that she informed people before. There's suggestions.
Objection, Your Honor, can we approach? This is, again,
Now, you were asked whether you had consulted a medical doctor about any problems with your nose, correct?
that's correct.
And you indicated that you in fact had after the divorce. correct?
Objection, leading.
Did you or did you not consult an ENT after the divorce?
Objection, leading.
Did you produce medical records to the defendants relating to this?
Objection, leading. Calls.
I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you.
Leading. Next
Your
question.
Honor, we could, the witness could be instructed not to answer until I
All right.
lodge my objection.
Wait for the objection, please.
Could we bring up Defendant's Exhibit 1077? Do you recognize this document? My screen is black.
Yes, I do.
And could you tell us what it is?
That's the what my ENT, the ears, nose, and throat doctor, told me was.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
All right, with this objection, please stop talking. Thank you. All right, I'll sustain the objection as to hearsay.
Okay. What, if any, you were asked if you had, it was suggested that you had not produced this in discovery, is that true?
Objection, Your Honor, leading.
Your Honor, she absolutely
So
did that.
it's leading. It is leading the question, though. Sustain the objection as to leading.
What, if anything, did you do to produce medical records to the defendant, to the plaintiff in this case?
I turned over all of my devices, and they had the Johnny's team had a third party, or someone they selected as a third party, go and pull all relevant documents from those devices, which I handed over.
Do you know how many were handed over?
Hundreds of thousands, maybe.
Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation.
All right, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
And what, if anything, did you produce to the plaintiff in connection with your consultation with an ENT specialist relating to your nose?
Objection, leading.
Sustain.
Foundation, hearsay.
What, if any, is not the cure-all. Please sustain.
When did you see an ENT specialist?
2017 or 2016 or 17.
And as a result of that consultation, what did you learn about your nose?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I'm not asking her to tell what they said.
Yeah, I'll sustain the objection.
What, if any, production did you make to the plaintiffs of your medical records with the ENT?
Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation.
If you only have foundation.
Do you know whether the records, medical records from your EMT were produced in discovery?
Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation calls for speculation.
I'm
That's
asking.
what she knows.
Thank you.
Yes.
And do you recall? I'm trying. What, if anything, did the medical records reflect about your nose?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
Do you have injuries to your nose?
Yes.
Please describe those to the jury.